Hello guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Welcome to Mmbm Volatility 100. Well, you can try it out on other volatility indices, but I'm strictly using it on volatility 100. Well, to me, volatility is not the safe haven. It's not 100% because to me it's more riskier than the normal binary option, which are the currency trades, the currency pairs, because it is too volatile. That is why it is called volatility index. It is too volatile, so be careful. The earlier you understand that binary.com is a player, you are the opponent. Both of you are playing on the field of currency trading. Who wants to win? No party wants to be a loser, but they are the upper hand. They have an edge over you because they are broker and they are programmers. They have already programmed you to lose and they have already programmed the system for them to win. So you must be very smart. When the system works for you, catch a little and rest. Take a beat and run. Score one goal, score two goals, score three goals, score four goals, score five goals, run. You know, they are watching you. They have already dug a pit because they are players and they are programmers. Don't fall into their pit. Don't fall into their net. Once again, welcome to Mmbm, which is money must be made volatility 100. Let's go to the settings. First and foremost, you go to the chart, volatility indices, continual indices, and go to 100 volatility index. Here, I enlarge it a bit. Under the 1 day, just change it to tick. Okay, good. This is the tick. Does it look like a tick to you? It looks more or less like lines, right? It's a line. Good. So we are going to be trading this line now. Okay. So you come under this indicator, you go look for EMA. You can just click on search here and type on exponential. Then these are double exponential moving average. So these are what we actually need. So we need exponential moving average. This is set to 21. We are taking it back to what? To 7. Am I correct? Yes, 7 to magenta color. So take it back to 7. Bring the thickness to 2. Click here to magenta. You can take it to any color. Just make sure you can identify it. The second is click on indicator again. Dema, that's double exponential moving average. Set to 5, set to 15. Double exponential moving average to 15. I use color black. I use color black. Okay. The width also to 2, and I clicked on OK. What next is the simple moving average to color 50. To period 50, dark green. Here, moving average, that's or you just type simple moving average, period to 50. Stroke to 2. Let me put it to 3. If it will go, Okay, stroke to trade to color black or what? No, magenta, black, green. Yeah, that green. Yeah. So this is what you have, okay? But for me to see it very well, you see this, I bring it closer, but depend on you. You know, we are not having the same eyesight strength. I can see this way very well. Now, how do I trade this? You see the two lines. Leave this green alone now. You see the two black and magenta. You see how they are moving together? They move in accordance with the direction of the trend. We are trading the trend. Then look at the tick. If the tick, they are following the tick. Anywhere the tick is going to, they are always behind it, following it to make sure it is accurate. So now, when the tick comes down and the tick cross over the green down, it means put. Okay? Then immediately these two colors there kiss the green, immediately they are kissing it down. They must kiss it a little bit down because the tick has already gone down. When the both colors now kiss the green, you know, and they are kissing a little bit, I trade. Okay? So, but now you now go to trade, you go to volatility, go to continuous, then click on 100. I bring it here. Okay? Now it is up. The trend is up. I'm expecting down. So I click on fall. The duration is 5 and it is tick. I always click on stick and not payout. Now this is what we have got here. I want to move this. Okay. Let me move it this way. And let it be that our first trade here. If it is win, I will PW. If it is lose, I will put L. So let's assume our capital is just what? It's just 50 US dollars. So I'm going to be sticking with $5. Okay, and you have $5 because the return is 94%, which is how much? $4 profit. Please, when the return is less than 90, don't trade. Then watch very well. This is a nice trend. Look at the blue line. The blue line is not zigzag. The blue line is not zigzag. Now watch. I click for watch. The blue line is not zigzag. It is the time to trade. This is the time to trade. The blue line is not zigzag. When it is zigzag, you see it very obvious. It moves. You'll be wondering what's running after this fucking thing. So you have to be patient. Watch. You see that it has crossed? But the double color is about to kiss. Don't trade yet. Don't trade. You can't trade. You see that? It is a deception. Because it is like this, you leave it. It has changed to zigzag. You want to know? Look at it. It has changed to zigzag. So pause. You need patience. At times, within a minute, you can have 3 trades and 3 good trades. And you can bank like $10 in a minute. You see that? You see that? I will not trade. I will not trade. I will not trade. I will not trade. You see that? Because I'm seeing more of zigzag. See, you got to have patience and you will make money. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to wait a bit and allow, the trend to regularize to my kind of trend, okay? Immediately you trade down, either win or loss, shake this to rise. It alternates. It alternates. Now, the trend is up, we are trading down. When the trend is down, we are trading up. Make sure you alternate this place very well. Otherwise, you will trade against yourself. Now we are expecting down put. We are expecting put trade down. Click on fall. your tick 5, stake. Okay, so let me pause a bit. Let me bring it this way, bigger, so that we can see it very well. Okay, good. Let me just leave it and ride on. Do you see the zigzag? Do you see the zigzag? So there are some time of the day when you log in, you see zigzag, just wait patiently. You will definitely see your trade. So simple. You will see your trade. So if you are that type that is very, very innate, you will lose as in a big way. But if you are very calm like I am, you will so much make it. You can have 10 trades without just a loss. As in, you can have 10 trades, lose one. I've never had 2 losses consecutively. I have never had 2 losses consecutively. No. Which means it's very, very okay. So but when you see it like this, zigzagly, you don't trade. Okay? Now, but when it is going smoothly, it's very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. This video is already 11, almost 12 minutes. I'm going to stop it now. And this is called Mmbm Volatility 100 installation video. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Money must be made. Mmbm for life.